are just about getting ready to move that pipe there pretty soon. They dug up this spot on Friday, right here. And the dump truck was right where that sign was. Or is, I mean. It does that. So let's cross the street. But right now we're, like I say, watching them smooth out everything and make it flat. As flat as we can anyway. I think he's gonna pack it right there, but not 100% sure. But the hole is pretty deep. Look at the way he's moving that dirt with just that little bit. Just what he has of an arm. And he has some pretty weird attachments on that excavator. Here are some of the guys down here working on the trench over there. And then now the dump truck is leaving. We don't have as big as a dirt pile as we did on Friday. We had a huge pile of dirt on Friday. There's another dump truck just down the street there. There's actually two down the street. Right now we are just working in the trench. It looks pretty good right now. Now we're carrying one more pipe to go into the trench. As it's going into the trench, it's going to be gonna be a while till this one goes in the trench, I think, but not 100% sure. It may even be in the next couple minutes, I don't know. Whenever they're ready in the trench down there. How many more pipes are there to go? I don't know. It would be cool. When are we putting the next pipe in?
Jeffrey, you like the hat I gave you?
Yes.
Yeah?
Thanks.
I want $5 for it.
I thought you said it was free.
Yeah, I'm just joking. You use that razor yet? Obviously not, huh?
Not yet. But right now the front end loader is giving the excavator some dirt. And right now we are working pretty hard at working on the trench. We're cleaning the sidewalks right now. Jason's cleaning the sidewalks. So it's not as dirty. And so we have a bit of a clean work site. We are filming the cleaning of the sidewalk.
Try to keep it somewhat maintained for the foot traffic, right?
For what?
For all the people coming by on foot.
Cool. Right now we are, like I say, working in the trench. There's a couple people in the trench. As they're working in the trench, we're cleaning the sidewalk because it needs to be cleaned, and it's a pretty dirty sidewalk. There's Corey coming out of the hole. But right now we are, like to say, using the packer over here. We got a lot of dirt here. And I mean a lot of dirt. It is slowly, we gotta spread all this dirt around, and it's gonna take a long time to spread it all around because we need to move it around so we can pack it down with the packer. Because once we can pack it, we can get further on with our job. But yeah, right now we're just, like I say, flattening everything out. Here comes another dump truck too. Here comes the next dump truck. As the dump truck's coming. So right now, this dump truck, as it's backing up, we are gonna film it dumping dirt. When it's done backing up, we'll film the dumping of the dirt, which will be pretty cool, I think, if we don't get stuck first. A lot of dirt as he almost got stuck in his hole. The dump truck is pretty lucky he did not get stuck. Josh is over there shoveling dirt to help the bulldozer every little way we can. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. But right now we are, like I say, just watching to see what they're doing. packing down some of the dirt here. We are packing down the dirt. Jason, you're looking at the blueprints a mighty lot today.
Always gotta double check them, man.
You don't usually look at them this much, do you?
Yeah, absolutely. Checking to make sure we got enough keys for all the...
No, but I thought Paul looked at them more than you do.
Paul's got it set too. He has one and I have one. And
Some the team have, or is it one just yours?
What's that?
Is that yours or the team's?
Well, he's giving to me. I leave him here so anyone can look at him later anytime.
Why does he give them to you and not the rest of the guys?
Because I know how to read them properly, and I...
Why, do the other guys don't?
I don't know if they have as much experience at reading as I do, but...
Did you go to school for it?
I did an apprenticeship. 3-year apprenticeship at the training center.
So they call this a trade?
Yeah. I completed my exam there too, the Red Seals trade.
Do you have to go to school for construction?
For this stuff, yep. Most types of construction, I think.
Paul said you don't have to do it for school.
Now I think they make you go and do it.
Really? Well, I wonder he likes working that machine. Well, I wonder he likes working this machine. That looks like an amusement park. It looks like he's having a fun ride over there in that machine. Because it looks like a roller coaster or something you'd let your kids ride in at the park. Or one of those rides at the fair. Something like that anyway. Like the way he bounces in that machine is pretty cool.